Today I'm going to show you how to make bacon wrapped hot dogs in the air fryer. This is my favorite way to eat hot dogs. Really easy to do. Let's get started. Begin with your hot dog franks, and I'm just using these Ballpark brand bun length franks, and then I have some Oscar Mayer bacon. Use whatever bacon you want, just don't use too thick of bacon because it needs to be thin enough to wrap around the hot dog frank. Okay? Super easy. Take some bacon. I'm telling you, this is my favorite way to eat hot dogs. And then I want to go to the end here and start by wrapping this. And we want to wrap it fairly tight. Okay, and you can kind of stretch the bacon a little bit. Okay, and then put the end inside down like that, all right? I'm gonna do that with the rest of these. All right, easy as that, ready to go in the air fryer. Gonna remove that air fryer basket. Now I'm going to put these in. Make sure to have that little seam, the end seams that are kind of tucked underneath at the ends. Put those on the bottom to start. And there we go. In the air fryer like that. Now we'll put the basket in here. Turn the air fryer on. Set the timer to 385 Fahrenheit, which is 195 Celsius. It's going to take about 12 to 14 minutes total. I'm going to start with 10 minutes. And then we're right around the 7-minute mark. I'm going to pull them out and turn them over to the other side and cook them the rest of the way until the bacon is nice and done. And then they're ready to go. Easy as that. All right, it's been about 7 or 8 minutes. I'm going to take a peek. Awesome, look at that. Not quite done yet, needs about 3 or 4 more minutes. So I'm going to take my tongs now and kind of roll it over to the other side here. And then back into the air fryer it goes. And we'll do it for another 4 to 5 minutes. All right, time is up. Take a look. Yes, looking amazing. Now just use some tongs and take them out. Take your bun, of course. Put that hot dog in there. And then you can serve the hot dog however you want. The bacon wrapped hot dogs are done. Turned out fantastic. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah, super excited. Mmm.